Bitcoin week has started and we got some incredible updates for you as they are coming out with a lot of hype. And forgive the mess in the back, I am about to leave tomorrow, but I never miss a day to take you the video. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing is a very important update from Zora regarding their airdrop. As we see over here, they have announced Spark, a new user of metrics for the measurement of Ethereum, considering also their NFT. And in regards to this, as we see here, they have released one important NFT, the Spark NFT with 499,000 followers. These are the two official NFT that they have released to remember this Spark moment that they have recalled it as a measurement to go and call the amount of Ethereum that you go and spend for X amount of transactions. So make sure you go and farm it and mint them. It is down below. I will go and collect myself as well, as we see over here. Any chain that you want, I will do it on Arbitrum. You can do it on anyone that you have your funds in. We go and mint both of them, as it is very important. They only come at 0.0007 ETH, so $2.50 at time of recording this video and going live. So make sure you go and grab it. As for the Zora one, this is the official Zora NFT account that have tweeted, as we see over here, the biggest one. So very, very important to go and grab it, and I will leave them both down below. I have a very important update and a new airdrop for all of you, and this is the layer 3. Now we know how much hyped it is, right, for the L3 airdrop. Well, we got a special launch pool over on ByBit, and what does this entitle? Well, for everybody that goes and deposit $100 and trade it, you will receive a nice bonus of a good allocation of the L3 airdrop as the token launch prices, which, as we saw yesterday, it's AK link, which if you did follow, congratulations. You know how much I sold that allocation that we took for? It was at 0.05 cent. It went all the way up to 53 cents. Sold it at the peak for $320 approximately, with a $20 allocation, $50 allocation that you did receive from doing this exact quest. So make sure to go and do it. It is absolutely easy. All you gotta do is you gotta either go and stake, as we see here, stake L3 USDT or mint to earn and share this reward. And what does this mean? After you've done staking, you take your money out. You got nothing to lose for you. Simply stake, take your money out, and you will get this token at launch price. If it does as well as, for example, ZKL did yesterday, which was absolutely incredible, then you are in for a good treat. We've seen this also with the live token back in the days. I've done multiple X's in revenues from this, as you do get it from the very first price that it goes live, and you can sell it at the peak. You hold it, you can sell it immediately. It is completely up to you. So definitely go and grab it out. Super simple, everybody can enter. Simply enter, deposit $100, stake $100. I will leave the link down below. As we see here, stake now, and you are good to go. You are done. You don't need KYC, you don't need any of that. Simply go and do it, and you will receive yourself a nice little bonus. Next up, there is a lot of hype around the Mantis airdrop over here. Now, the Mantis airdrop, it's something that is going to be super hyped up. And in terms of the Mantis one, as of right now, what can you do to go and participate in it? Nothing. All you have to do is join a waitlist. So easy peasy to go and do it. Join a waitlist, insert your email, and you are good to go. You don't need to add your wallet. You can connect it if you want it over here to their platform. So make sure to go to the waitlist.mantis website, which I will leave you link down below, and simply go and sign up. There is no referral, there is no nothing. It is simply a website to go and get your spot reserved. There is, however, two quests that I have found for you. There is one over here on the 31, which is to visit the website, follow Mantis on Twitter, follow Lady Mantis on Twitter, join the Mantis waiting room, and like and reply a retweet. So as we see here, super easy to go and do. Then other one for 100 friends, 50 friends, etc. But very easy to go and do on Zerly, as well as over here. Follow Mantis on Galaxy. We got other quests like follow Mantis, follow X Lady Mantis, follow Mantis tweet, etc. Like, retweet. As we see, super easy. But you see what's interesting here? It's that there are all of these Mantis, Lady Mantis, and what are these? Well, if we go over here, this one right here. So as we see here, we got the Mantis L2 actual NFT, this one and the other one. So there are different ones, which I will leave you link down below. This one are the other two ones, and I have already gone and get myself one. But this one, as we see here, the Lady Mantis episode 1 and the Lady X Mantis have been officially tweeted out by Mantis itself as one of the journeys to follow them on Twitter, so they are part of the same family. So make sure that you also go and grab yourself these two NFT. I went and got it myself. As we see over here, I own one of these. And I also own this one, which I will go and grab right now. But it is very important to go and do it, as this Mantis one are part of the future airdrop allocation. We know how important NFTs are, and we know how good they can be for example, the Omnibus for the ZK Sync, or the other one for the layer 0. So make sure that you go and do it, as they are super important for you to go and grab. And we got the Spark one and the Ladybug. Got 4 of those. If you can't pick one from each, so do not take all 4. If you cannot afford it, absolutely fine. Try to pick one from one of the Zora and one of the Ladybug that are very important. Next up, I've got 20 additional GRBT coins, tokens over here, and this one is another airdrop, which is launching very soon. And this is all you gotta do for now. It's another free to earn airdrop. Simply sign up, utilize, get your access with the weekly invite quota that are given out to people that are already part of it. And if you get to this video a little bit too late, do not worry. Come and join my Twitter community or my Telegram community. The free to join link is down below. Share your invite code and try to get in with the code of somebody else. Absolutely fine, but I will leave you 20 codes for this one. Following up, we got an important update over on the Ovelto airdrop. We know this one is coming in 2 weeks, as they are having their 4-week summer. After this snapshot is taken and airdrop will be allocation. They got these 4 weeks going on, as we see right here. We are on the 2nd week. Well, they also have some new Arbitrum quests, which I have already gone and completed. So make sure that you go and grab it. You get an extra 1,500 points by completing this simple quest, which is to bridge to and from Ethereum 3 times each. This will also allow you to be ranked within the top 1,000 users for this NFT that is being released. As we see over here, I've only done 12 bridge, got myself 16,000 points, and I'm ranked 58. So the airdrop is super easy to go and do it. I will leave you a link down below as well. Make sure to go and grab it. Make sure to go and connect your wallet, and make sure that you go and get yourself this point. As we see here, I am farming a lot of points, and yes, it also thank you to you, the reward, the community. So thank you very much for the support. But also I'm farming a lot of the bridges myself. I'm farming a lot of the quest as well myself. Following up, we got, as again, another day, another linear airdrop quest, which it is very simple to go and do. As we see over here, the number 4 forbidden fruit. Click on to continue. You gotta go to phosphor once again, and also here we are minted by them. It is another NFT situation. And we understanding that how much important that I always try and tell you that the NFTs in this airdrop situation are super important, because this, yes, they are farming us, but this is how they are receiving the money to go and do the airdrop later on, to go and have a brand and to go and have a situation. So make sure that you go and grab it right now. So we see over here, simply go and purchase. It was 3 cents, 4 cents, I believe it was, and we are done and dusted, and we got ourselves 20 LXP points, which I do believe, I strongly do believe, that this one are gonna be worth way more than what that 3-4 cents that we have spent, $2 we have spent for an NFT will be, because they are really important. As well as following up, we got a D-bridge over here, a D-bank update, and this is another batch to go and claim for ourselves. And we got the zero airdrop hunter claiming situation over here, which you can go and claim if you had the possibility to go and earn and claim the layer 0 airdrop, the 0 one, as we see over here. So make sure it is absolutely free, simply a easy mint to go and do. Make sure that you go and mint it if you have the possibility to do it. I will leave you a link down below, the exact batch one, and it is, as we see, super simple. Could it be something potential for the D-Bank airdrop? I do believe yes, because it does encounter some transaction situation. It does encounter that you're utilizing their platform, as well as we see over here on the XP section. D-Bank is all about an XP ranking, which means that usually when we see an XP ranking, we will see an airdrop situation happening, and we will see point distribution based on your XP ranking, which could also be very important. But I will leave you this 0 airdrop hunter badge to go and claim right on the description. And we also have the 4th milk tia multiplier badge, which is out, and now it spells milk. So there are 4 of them. The eligibility for this one is a medium value of 2 milk tia token or more. We receive a cartoon. The stackers in trenches, there are different ones. So if you are a, if you do have milk tia, if you do stake them, congratulations, you will receive it. I will leave the link down below, so make sure to go and grab it as well for yourself. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's one. Ciao, guys.